So 16 C part 2, determine and display the largest and second largest values in the list. Sounds like it's pretty easy, but not as easy as it looks. But note that the list contains values that are repeated, so when the program is run, the output may look as follows: largest and second largest. So here's our list, and the first thing we need to do is we need to kind of sort this list. So if I use BMI values.sort here, so this sort method is really handy, because what it does is it will sort this list directly. So it will modify it and it will sort it without the need for creating any new list. It's absolutely brilliant. Of course, there is a problem, because once I sort it now in place, that's it. The original BMI values list is gone forever. So if you don't want that to happen, well, you can't use this particular way of doing it. And also here now we need to print out the sorted BMI values. So let's have a look at the printed list. The sorted BMI values, so 1589, 23. So great, they all look like they're sorted. However, one little issue, we need to sort these in ascending value. So by default, when I call the sort or applied the sort method here, it sorted them in ascending value. So if I want to put them in descending value, what I need to do is provide an argument here called reverse equals true. So by default it sorts them in ascending order, but if I want to do it in kind of reverse order, a descending order if you like, I need to specify this argument reverse equals true. Let's run this program again now. And there you can see that it's now sorted them in ascending order, which is absolutely brilliant. Okay, so we have a major issue here in terms of if I try to return the first and the second value now, I get 35. And of course, this isn't what we want. We want no duplicates here, no numbers repeating, as it tells us here. Part 2, note that their list contains values that are repeated, and we just want to show the kind of largest value and the second largest value in the list, which is 35 and then 33. So I need to run a little loop here, so a loop to eliminate, to get rid of duplicates. Now before I do that, I'm going to create an empty list, and I'm going to call it BMI values no dupes. No duplicates or something, for no duplicates. So I'm going to run a little for loop here now for we'll say for BMI value in the BMI values list. So remember, the BMI values list is all these numbers down here now. So BMI values, so the first one is going to be 35. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to check if it's not in. So if BMI is not, so the not keyword, if it's not in the BMI values, no duplicates, no dupes as I've called it there. If it's not in that list, which the first time it comes in 35 is not in it, well, we want to append it to it. So we want to say BMI, this new list here, BMI values underscore no dupes dot append, and we want to append that BMI. So that BMI there that we're just there again, so 35, first time it comes in, it's going to append 35 to the BMI values no dupes list because it's empty. But the second time it loops around, it's going to pick the next value from in the next iteration, it'll pick the next value in the list, which is 35. It'll check if that's in the list, and it'll go, if it's not in it, well, it is in it. So it'll skip over that if statement, that's not true. Go back, it'll get the next number, 33, and it'll do all those values now. So if I go in here now and I print out that list, so let's see, the no duplicates list, no duplicates sorted list, sorted BMI values list, which is the string will be as long as what I'm trying to say, but I want to put in here now BMI values no dupes, no duplicates. So if I print that now to screen, as we can see here, we get no duplicates sorted BMI values list, 35, 33, 32, so it's got rid of all the duplicates, and now very easily all we need to do is use list indexing to print the largest and the second largest items here. So I'm just going to say print largest, which of course is BMI values, no duplicates, no dupes, index position 0, which will give me of course the largest, and I'll copy that and I'm going to print the second largest in. Just make sure I'm consistent with the string output here, second largest, yeah, and change that index value to 1. So down here, that was index position 0, the 35, index position 1 will be 33, so that's exactly what we want. And now let's run it here, 35 and 33, and just let's print out the third largest here, just to make sure that we're definitely correct. So we should be getting back here, just to make sure, third largest there will be index position 2 in the list, so that should be, looking at that, 35, 33, 32, let's just make sure that that prints that. And that is part 2 from 16.